What's up, folks? Dominoes 7 here. Hey, what's happening, y'all out there in TV land, YouTube land, computer land, or Kindle land, or something like that? Well, TV land at that, okay? Whatever the hell y'all watching me on, okay? Yep. Tomorrow's November the 1st. Today is October the 31st. Happy birthday to the people that was born on Halloween over the years, you know? I could have asked my so-called sister-in-law bring my little niece over. Well, it feels warm on this side, but it's cold on the other side. Whoops, sorry about that. I don't know why I stepped out on y'all. I apologize, though. I shouldn't neglect my viewers. I should not neglect my viewers at all. Okay. Well, I would like to wish each and every one of y'all a happy Halloween. Okay. Yep. So the kids is not trick or treating this year, and I don't have no candy right now. You know. Well, we never had candy though. We usually go out to trick-or-treat as far as that. Yes, indeed. Who all went out to trick-or-treat? I did. All right. Did y'all ever go out there trick-or-treat? I guess not. Well. Hell am I doing neglecting my viewers like that? All right. All right, so my friend is out, probably. Oh, well. Well, nothing else to talk about. Oh well.